Hello everyone, today we would like to introduce our latest pizza oven. This new pizza oven is inspired by the unique shape of the CUBS cap and is designed to bring a new cooking experience and visual enjoyment to users. It measures 19 inches and weighs 29.35 kilograms with the pizza dough. It's a heat-resistant, corrosion-resistant, and easy-to-clean pizza oven. The outer shell and the base are made of coral sheet with powder coating, and the inner shell of the top cover is made of stainless steel. The mouth of the oven combines coral sheet with an enamel process. It is worth mentioning that the handle on both sides of the oven is removable, and the holes on it help to dissipate heat. This pizza oven is designed for making pizzas, but it also suitable for a wide range of cooking needs, which we will show you next, so don't miss it. Now I will turn on the pizza oven to preheat. It takes about 20 minutes. It's 385 Celsius. It's good for cooking a pizza.